Physics is a vast subject. It covers everything from food, technology, and even how we live on a day-to-day basis. There is always something to keep our brains actively thinking and learning. That's what makes it so fascinating. We are Amy
and Arya,
and we are going to talk about what lights up our love for physics.
Phones and tablets, they're a crucial part of our lives today. Now, let's be honest, we can't live without them. We use them to communicate, to online shop, to play video games, and so much more. But where did the idea of a touchscreen computer actually begin?
Well, on September 8th, 1966, Gene Roddenberry aired a new sci-fi series called Star Trek. With the creator's wild imagination and devoted fan base, the world of the touchscreen computer was born.
If you're familiar with the show, you will know that the crew used a communication device, similar to what we have today, making use of the subspace transmissions which can bypass electromagnetic radiation. Members could talk between one another, but unfortunately, this isn't possible in real life.
In 1973, Martin Cooper, an employee from Motorola, brought both fiction and reality together with the power of inspiration and innovation, with the world's first ever phone, a big, bulky brick. Probably not the kind of phone you were thinking of, but it definitely hit the markets with a big bang.
But seeing as Motorola already had a massive lead in the technology market with its revolutionary creation, Apple changed the game entirely and introduced the iPad in 2010, mixing elements from its own products, the iPod and the iPhone, and the pad from Star Trek.
To make the idea of a handheld touchscreen device even plausible, we need to first understand the technical stuff behind it. Let's break it down to just 30 seconds.
To make a touchscreen computer, a capacitive touchscreen would be needed. The use of capacitors coating thin layers of glass utilizes electricity's ability to be conducted. This is extremely important to note, as this allows for the conductive surface to respond to touches and complete the electric circuit inside. Once the circuit is completed, the registered touch is sent to the device's operating system to be processed. It's that simple.
Using a capacitive screen comes with its advantages such as higher optical quality, its response time, its simultaneous touch abilities, and its ability to reject false touches. It's perfect for any handheld touchscreen computer.
You know, it's quite interesting to see how science fiction has weaved its way into the real world over the past 400 years and made a significant mark on the way the world operates today. That is what lights up our love for physics.
What about you? What's your story?